What is up guys, my name is Ignas, welcome back to the channel. So the month of June just finished and I would like to make an update on what we did in that time. So let us scroll way down to the transaction history and here we'll check what stocks we bought and how much we received in dividends. So starting with June 1st, as per usual, we funded the investing account with $500 extra to buy into a few picks that we've looked into before. So on the same day we added $300 into Starbucks, ticker symbol sbux. The buying price was $76.46 per share, so for those $300 we received 3.9 of a share. We'll check how this position is performing later on with my portfolio tracker on Google Sheets. Now later we received dividends. So on June 2nd that was a dividend from Walmart. It's a consumer staples name and after taxes we received 71 cents for the position. June was quite an interesting month, with many companies paying dividends. So on the 3rd we received a payment from Intel, a semiconductor company, and after taxes that came in at $1.11. And I actually added more money into this stock. So on the 6th of June I took $230 and at the price of $43.98 per share, bought 5.2 shares of intc. This means that I will be getting way more in dividends in the upcoming quarters for this stock. But there still has been several dividends for June, so one of those is Amgen from the healthcare sector, and on the 9th of June after taxes I was paid $1.02. The next dividend came in shortly, so on the 10th we received dividends from Microsoft, which after the 5-cent tax was at 30 cents. Now for the next dividend that was Walgreens, a pharmacy retail name from the healthcare sector. And they are paying a decent dividend, so after taxes that came in at $1.87. But that doesn't stop there. So on the next day 3M paid, and this industrial's name after taxes paid $2.28. Then going back we see that there was another dividend for the day, and that is Sony, ticker symbol SONY. So after the 4-cent tax we got 20 cents there. Then again we have a staples name, Tyson Foods, ticker symbol TSN. So on June 16th, the dividend after tax was at 87 cents. And now we are coming to a name that I'm holding for quite a while already, which is McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD. So on June 22nd, I got $1.22. Now moving back, there was another dividend, the last one for June on the 24th, and that is a financial's name, BlackRock, ticker symbol BLK. So after that 36 cents of tax, we got a dividend of $2.01. So these were all the buys and the dividends for the month of June. Quite a few companies paid, and as I'm still adding new money and reinvesting these dividends back, the numbers here should be going up over time. So now that we've done with this history, let's go into Google Sheets to further check on that progress that we had so far. So we have switched to Google Sheets, and this is here the tracker for my Revolut portfolio. If you are interested in checking it out for yourself, it's free to use. I will leave a link for it at the top of the description. So in June we added into 2 positions and one of them was Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX. So now in total I have 5.2 of a share and on average my buying price is at $77.78. This means that I'm currently losing $7.16 on the position and that is minus 1.79%. Now Starbucks takes around 7.5% of the portfolio, so likely the largest position here, and it is almost half of the exposure in the consumer discretionary sector. Now currently the stock is trading at a dividend yield of 2.57%. Unfortunately I bought the stock just a bit more expensive, so my yield on cost is at 2.52%, and this means that for the position we have, Starbucks is currently paying $10.12 on an annual basis, which is also one of the 3 largest dividends I'm receiving. Now another name that I've added into in June is Intel, ticker symbol INTC, and I'm now holding 8.8 of a share. So the average buying price is now at $54.58. Unfortunately the stock also moved lower, currently trading at $37.41. So I am down for $72 on this position, which is minus 17.93%. Now Intel takes 6.28% of the portfolio, so that is a sizable position compared to others, and that is almost 1/3 of my exposure in information technology sector at 32.07%. Now if we check into the dividend yield, the stock is trading at 3.9%, and with the price moving lower, my yield on cost is unfortunately lower at 3.2%. but Intel being one of my largest positions, I am currently getting the most dividends from here, and they are now every year paying $12.85 for this position. There is one more position that is currently paying over $10 in dividends on an annual basis, and that is 3M, ticker symbol MMM. I'm now holding 1.8 of a share, and on average the buying price is at $155.59 per share. The situation here is similar, the stock has been going lower, it's now trading at $129.41, so I'm down $47.11 on the position, which is minus 16.82%. Now 3M takes 4.44% of the portfolio, and almost 2/3 of my exposure in the industrial sector at 64.41%. The stock is now trading at a dividend yield of 4.61%, and with the price moving lower, unfortunately my yield on cost is also down, now at 3.83%, but that is still quite a large yield, so this position pays me $10.74 every year. Now currently I have already deposited $5,680 into this portfolio, and it is now valued at $5,250.37. So overall we are currently losing $429.63, which is minus 7.56%. But adding money and buying dividend paying stocks means that we are coming closer to my annual dividend target, which is set at $120 or $10 per month. And right now we are at $105.52. So we are really close to getting there, and if I do buy the stocks that I've added this month, we will be even closer to it, or maybe even already reach it. I will definitely do an update on it next month. So I have added up all those dividends that were paid in June, in fact 10 different companies paid, and you are able to see the result of it. So the dividends for the month summed up to $11.59. I was expecting that it could be 2 times higher than it was in 2021, and it is almost 3 times more than we have received back in May. So 3 months back in March, we weren't able to cross those last year dividends, but after 3 months more, we did just that, and are almost at $12 in dividends for this month. Now that is also the largest month that we ever had, because the previous high was in December of 2021, at just over $6 with 6.26. Now if we want to predict July, so there we went from 84 cents to $2.75, more than a 3x increase, so it looks likely that for the July of 2022, we should be receiving around $3 for the month. I wonder how close will this prediction be. So far half a year passed, and we currently already received $27.83, so are coming close to last year's $33.71, and probably are gonna surpass it somewhere in August of this year. I'm already excited to see how this graph changes next month. And that was it with the update. Make sure to support the channel and leave a thumbs up under the video. How much in dividends did you receive in the month of June? Share your performance in a comment below. The portfolio tracker that I showed you is free to use, but if you are interested in other material that I have, then consider memberships. By becoming a member, you will get access to Discord, where I share all my Google Sheets documents and all the buys and sells exactly when I do them. This could be a great option to track my moves closely. Previously, I have looked into fundamentals of several companies, so if you would be interested in checking on any of these, then click on a video that is currently on the screen. And that was it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing y'all in the next one.